I live in the UK, and there's hardly any videos of Devon pop tops, concertina style. So I'm in the process of working on mine. So I've removed all of this from around the rim up there, but that rim looks like it's made out of aluminium or something. You'll probably get some of this stuff, don't even know what it's called. So I've ordered a J-seal for there on eBay for 30 quid. Well, I think it was VW Heritage, but just Campus sell them as well. So I've just stuck a screwdriver in here, which started it coming out, and it does just slowly come out. I'm sure it'll be annoying to get in, but I'll probably put it in the same way, put a screwdriver in, spread it. So anyway, I'm not going to be able to do all that with my, see if I can just pull that. I mean, it's so dry and brittle, it's almost definitely the original. I think you just got to do it slowly, otherwise you just keep breaking it and you take forever. You can see the little groove. It's called a J-seal. I think they're 9 meters long. So you can buy these concertina. Well, I think this one will clean up actually. And I'm going to remove one of the brackets, which I think is just those two bolts. Those two bolts. And then from the inside, one, two, three, four, 5 screws. So I hope the screws aren't stuck. And then my intention is to try and take these tubes apart and see if I can make that spring stronger, because these tops are falling down. So I've already done a bit of a video, but as far as I know, you can have hammocks on these, and they strap up along these sections. So I'd actually like to reinstate those hammocks. I think the bracket went behind here. I did look here quickly. You can see some screws where I think held the original brackets. Let's have a look. Oh, there's some wood there. I didn't know that. So it's sat on wood. I can re-glue that. Oh, I didn't know that. These are sat on wood. Oh, that's good. That means that this bracket, this section, isn't screwed to the roof. It's making it to make it all rusty. So you can see how the bad condition is. And you can even buy, I think, I'm pretty sure you can buy these because it's aluminium. And that bit feels plastic, but the bottom bit is definitely aluminium. Probably aluminium coated plastic, coated in plastic. So my intention is to clean it all up and paint it, make it look new. I'll re-stick these back up. I don't want to ruin this velveting that someone's done, because I think it looks fine. Oh look, nice little spider. Hello spider. So the roof part is really good. You can see there's more of this stuff around the edge, but it looks fine. And then this is the other seal here, which disappears off outside. I haven't bought that seal because I'll just show you the inner seal there is fine. So I'm not going to buy that one. What if I needed it? I think it's quite expensive. Alright, there's a seal that is held up there. Held up there. How this one's holding. Should have changed the canvas. Oh, I can see it, yeah, it's got an inner aluminium pop-top riveted bracket. Oh, there it is there, yeah. See, but I don't need to change that. I'm guessing that if you didn't use rivets, you'd use screws, nuts and bolts. So I think I'm going to have fun. I just don't want to break my hands, because these brackets that are on the earlier ones, that 70, when they lose their springy, the tops fall down, it can break your bloody hands. Don't get your hands caught inside the, I don't even know what they're called. And I know you can buy these strips, because I've seen them. They're only a £5, but these, I think these will clean. And behind these strips is metal rods. And you can buy these metal rods, they're really expensive. The rods on this one are fine. You can buy these metal rods. You can even buy these that hold it up. You can buy them. That clips to that bit there. Yeah. And I just think these unscrew. See that? And that's how you get these to come apart. I'm going to just try re-greasing it, and I'm going to see if I can make it the tension in better. So let's see if these screws are going to undo. Thanks a lot. That's a Devon 90 early bay concertina top with side windows, with the brackets at the side, not at each end. Some of them have the brackets each end. The later ones, I'm guessing. Thanks a lot.